In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your credentials for Google. So console.cloud.google.com, go to that website. If you have a project, great. If not, we're going to create a new project. We're going to name it something really simple. We're going to wait for a second for that to create. Once it's created, we've selected it. We're going to add some APIs. So we're going to go to APIs and services, enable APIs. We're going to enable a few of them. We're going to do sheets. Enable that. We're going to enable Drive. So for the Google Drive, we're going to enable Gmail. I'll learn how to spell. Those are the ones we're doing for now. Anything else is pretty simple. You're always going to the library. You're searching for it. Another one that I might use, calendars. Let's do calendars one more. So now that we have those, we're going to our Auth screen, and it's not configured, so we're going to configure that. So we're going to give the app a name. We're going to select our supports. So we'll do external. Contact information. So accept the terms and conditions and continue. Create it. What you want to do now is go to audience. Because we are using external, we have to add at least one test user. Save that. And now we can go to the OAuth. And this is where we want to create an OAuth client. Same thing. We're going to add a URL, a callback. We're going to create that. And now we have our client key and our secret.